Now that the battery box is situated back in place, we're going to tighten it down. The 3 bolt locations. We're then going to reconnect the 2 ECU connectors with the cam locks. Just rotate those into place to fasten those down. Reinstall our battery with the negative terminal toward the firewall. Reinstall the battery tie down, making sure that the front arrow is pointing to the front. Those 2 10mm nuts onto the studs. Battery adjusted. We'll take our positive terminal and hook it into place here. Run the positive cable onto the terminal. We'll want to make note of the routing. I don't know if you can see, but these 2 battery cables come through the little cutout that's in the battery box. We'll attach the negative cable. It hooks through that little clasp in the battery box. I'll make sure that we don't bridge that gap between the 2 terminals, obviously. The ECU cover on. There's just 3 little tangs that fit into 3 slots on that. Keep it in place. And we'll attach the front cover of the battery box. Basically just slides into place here. Make sure that everything's up and out of the way of it. There is a cable down at the bottom here that there's a clearance in that cover for. Take the clips and pop them back into place. That one goes on the bottom. And then install the lid. That's it. What's up?